and my favorite novel is... Hello! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Koiriyah. My student number is 1. Now I want to tell you my favorite book. My favorite book is a novel. Yeah, my favorite genre is romantic, comedy, and teen fiction. Usually, I'm reading a story from Wattpad. Wattpad is an online application for reading and writing stories. Now, I want to tell you my favorite novel. Ta-da! My favorite novel is Remembering from Jihan Pratiwi. Even though this story not related to my life, I love it because this is not only tell about love story or life teenager in senior high school, but there are some part that tell about broken home family. Okay. Besides that, I love this novel because the author use simple English to understand, like everyday language. So I didn't need a long time to finish reading this book. Genre of this novel is teen fiction. In this story, tell about love story in senior high school, and then the main of character in this story come from broken home family, especially that their father left from their family. Also sad. Oh, okay. But both of these characters had some story that remember in the rain. Okay. Example or one of the story is when the boy left from home and then he meet the girl, okay, in the market, and yes, that is accidental meeting, right? And then I want to tell main character in this story. There is Kenya Arlene and Bilo. Kenya Arlene, she is a second grade high school student in senior high school Dharma Citra, and then she's 16 years old. She is a naughty girl because she often left from class every day. Bilo also a bad student. He is head of intra-school organization, and then he loves his mother so much because he just have a mother. Sorry, he does not have father. Their story start from Bilo crash into owned by Kenya's friend, and Bilo not say sorry, but he gave Kenya money to million. Kenya was angry, so he slapped Bilo's cheek, and then she was run because she's scared. For your information, Kenya has a habit when she scared or nervous, she must to go to toilet. Bilo now that Kenya went school with Bilo, so he look over Kenya to meet Kenya. Be a maid for 1 month. Because they often meet, they end up feeling in love each other. And at the end of the story, they realize that Kenya had helped Bilo when he left from home, and it turned out that Kenya is the person Bilo has been looking for all this time. I like this novel. Part of Kenya help Bilo to make a cake, and then Kenya cannot break egg, and she used near to break it. And then I like part when Kenya's young brother advised to Kenya that what we see it's not bad as we thinking. And then from there we must positive thinking, right? Yeah. Okay guys, if you like the generating fiction, you must reading this book guys. If you cannot buy it, you can find this story in Wattpad. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.